guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are doing the Boxycharm unboxing. So if the sound sounds a little bit different than my past videos, it's because I'm testing out a new mic tonight, and I'm hoping the sound quality will be a little bit better than what it's been in the last couple of years that I've just been using my audio from my camera. So if you are interested in some really cute earrings, these earrings are from Lovekillsboutique, and they are just fake plugs. So I don't have stretched ears, but they give the illusion that my ears are stretched, and I think they're really cute. And they also have plugs as well. So if you guys are interested in checking out Lovekillsboutique, I will link them down below for you guys. And they have the cutest little earrings. These are some of my favorite pairs. This is literally just tiny little ghosts, and I thought they were perfect. They didn't arrive until like way after Halloween, so I couldn't really use them for the holiday spooky season, but they're really cute, so I wanted to wear them tonight. So this is the Boxycharm unboxing for January. I'm really excited because there is a palette in here I'm hoping I got because it's a very green tone based palette, and you guys know that I really like green tones. But without further ado, let's just jump on into the video. All right, so let's just jump on into this Boxycharm unboxing. So I'm really excited for this month's box, and this is what it looks like when we open it. So we did get memory foam this time. Aw, good job, Boxycharm. Starting off the year good. So we got a list here with all of the ingredients on it, and Boxycharm's theme for this month is fresh start. So let's see if we have an actual fresh start with Boxycharm, because last year I was not pleased with Boxycharm. So the first thing that I see in here is from the brand Farmacy. So this is a Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. So it says, an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, cleans pores, and controls oil without over-stripping skin. This refreshing daily toner contains a blend of salicylic acid and papaya enzyme to help reduce shine and minimize the look of pores, ideal for combination and oily skin. So I don't know if I actually will try this. I have dry skin, so I don't really lean towards the oily side. I lean more towards the dry side just because of the climate that I live in. Here in Canada, it's very dry here. And I have used an item from this brand before in the past that had AHAs and BHAs in it, and it really bothered my skin. So I don't think I'm going to try this. I may just pass this along to a friend that may benefit from this a little bit more than me, just because I have very sensitive skin, and the BHAs, I haven't had a very good experience with them in the past. So I'm not too sure if I will try this, but if I do, obviously I'll do a video, but if not, I will pass it along to a friend. So this is the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner, and it retails for $28. So I'm sure I can just pass that along to one of my friends that will probably benefit from that a little bit better, having more oily skin, just because my skin is so dry and sensitive that I don't think that will really benefit me at all or help me. So I'm just going to move on to the next item. So the next item I see is, I think these are lashes. So this is Qveen. Is that how you say that? It's spelled Qveen, but it has a V instead of a U. So it says Qveen Studio Dragon Duo. So this is really cool. So it says modern day boss babe approved. This inky black pigmentation and semi-waterproof formula. Choose your look using the Dragon Duo. Use Dragon Liner liquid for smudge-proof symmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner pencil for a softer look, or a smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by pros. So it's actually not lashes, it's actually a liner. So that's exciting. I love getting black eyeliners. You can never have too many. So this is really cool. So we got a pencil liner, and it's actually perfect. This is exactly what I like for pencils. I don't like ones that are actually like wood pencils. They just bother me a little bit. They bother my eye when I use them in my water, like lash line. So I'm really excited that we got that. And then this is, I believe, yeah, it's like a liquid pen. So that's really exciting. I'm very excited that we got these. That's really cool that we got two of them. We got one for just like your waterline area, and one that could be actually used as a liquid liner. So that is really awesome, and that retails for $28 again. So that is really cool, and the packaging was really pretty. It's very gorgeous. So I'm very excited that we got that. The next thing that I got is the Apple Balm Glow Lip Mask. Okay, so I've never actually used a lip mask before, so that's really interesting. So this is from the brand Seraphine Botanicals. So it's an Apple Balm Glow Lip Mask. So boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, jojoba, and rosehip oils that work synergistically to keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple, pineapple, and helps rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. And this retails for $25. Kind of looks like a lotion, and I just want to smell it. I want to see if it smells like apples and pineapple. It smells very fresh. It smells like apples, and that smells really good. So I will definitely try this out in a future video on my channel another day, but I'm very excited for that. So the next thing I see is from the brand Pure. So this is the 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, and I got the color LG3. So this has Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with SPF 20 that's all part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking complexion. So I really like BB creams and CC creams, so this is right up my alley. I'm hoping that I got the right color. They sent me LG3, so I don't know if that is actually going to be my color. So it looks a little bit warm for me. I don't know if you guys can really see. I don't think that quite is my color. That might be my color. Oh, well, as I rub it in, it's kind of my color. I will definitely try this out and see if they sent me the right color. On my hand, it's kind of hard to tell, but in this light, it looks like it would be a little bit warm on me. So this may be a BB cream sunscreen that I would use in the summertime. I don't know if I would use this in the winter just because it seems to be quite warm. It's a very warm shade that they sent me. I probably would have gone one shade maybe lighter in like a neutral more than a warm base. I do have a warm complexion, but this is definitely coming off on my hand as being a little bit orange. So I don't think that's quite my color, but that's really exciting that we got a BB cream just because I really like BB creams. So this is a BB cream that retails for $35. Pretty expensive for a BB cream, but I'm really curious if this is going to be my color or not, just because it's hard to tell on my hand in this lighting. It looks like it blended nicely, but it looks like it's a little bit warm at the same time. So we will see. I'll definitely probably try this out more in the spring, summertime than the winter. Sorry if the lighting or angle changed. It's because my camera died and I had to go change out the battery. So the last thing that's in the box is the Violet Voss I Love You Forever. So this is the Olive You Forever. And it's not really an olive toned palette in my opinion. This is more of a neutral palette with maybe 2 shades in here that are olive. So I'll swatch the 2 shades that are olive, and neither of those shades are even matte. So they're both shimmer shades. So this is what they look like. They are really pretty, but they're not really that pigmented. And honestly, if you're gonna go for an olive palette, I would just go for the Give Me Glow Cosmetics Juicy Olive palette because it actually is a olive toned palette. I would say that this naming is kind of a weird choice considering it's a neutral palette. It's really not olive at all. So I would say that this is a pretty palette. I'll definitely try it out on my channel, but I wouldn't say that this is really that olive of a palette. And I wish they put in an olive matte because then I could have created an actual olive look, whereas everything else is neutral. So all of the neutral tones in here are mattes, and they didn't include a olive tone in here that was a matte at all. So that's kind of disappointing. So this retails for $34. So honestly, that's not too bad for a palette. You get 12 shades, so it's not that bad, but I would say that it's really not fitting the name. This palette was designed with universally flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas with creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. Achieve endless eyeshadow looks from a modern, soft, sultry to a seductive olive smoky eye that will have them green with envy. Again, that doesn't fit this at all. We are missing the olive shades. There's 2 olive shades in here and the rest is neutrals. So green with envy? Not really. This is a neutral palette. So I would say that this definitely missed the mark. I was seeing pictures of it floating around online and I wanted to see what it looked like in person myself before I really judged it too hard, but I would say that that's very disappointing. It's not an olive palette at all. That's a neutral palette. They're just running with the olive name, which really doesn't fit the palette. So I would say that it's a cute palette if you like neutrals, but I'm not really into neutrals. So I'll try it out and play with it, but I may end up just gifting it to my sister just because she likes neutrals more than I do. The total of this month's box was $150. So we got some really awesome items in here. I'm not that excited for the Farmacy BHA toner, obviously, just because I'm gonna pass that along to a friend. And I'm really not that excited for the palette. The palette is kind of a miss for me just because, like I already said, it's not very olive-y for the theme. But everything else was really cool. I like the fact that we got a CC cream. That'll probably be a really good item for me in the summertime. I'm looking at it on my hand right now and it is a little bit warm. So it will be probably a nice shade for me in the summertime. It's not really a shade that I can use at the moment. And the eyeliners I'm really excited for, and the lip mask I'm really excited for. So this was all around a pretty decent box. This was an exciting box to get for January. So hopefully we do get a fresh start with Boxycharm this year and I don't end up canceling because I've been very on the fence lately. That was everything that was in this month's box. If you guys aren't already signed up with Boxycharm, I have my links already in the description box below so you guys can go check out Boxycharm yourself if you're interested in signing up. I'm really excited that we got memory foam this time. It's just the little things that they pack the box correctly for once. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!